Good morning, Lancers. This is a recording of how to use the Screencast option in Flipgrid to record a presentation. Okay, so at the bottom down here, there's the option on the left-hand side to record screen. And then it gives you a countdown of a certain amount of time. And that allows you to go into your location and be able to find the slideshow or the place in the slideshow. Hopefully you set that up ahead of time so that you can start right in the place that you want to start. And let's go down here. I first want to show you how on this slide we can go up to File and, we're going to go to right click, and then you can click Skip Slide. And then when you give your presentation in the present mode or presenter view, I'm going to get rid of this because I don't think you guys want to see that. Now I can talk about the urchin population. I don't need the ruler. I maybe want to slide my picture up just a little bit right there, and I can talk through the information that's on here. And then I can go hit the arrow forward button, talk about how the population changed and what my predictions are. And then when I hit the next button, I have now skipped the first two questions because that was on the slide that was hidden. So this allows me to speak while I am using the slideshow and record what's on the slideshow. Down at the bottom, I'm going to hit. Okay, so record screen, and then selecting the location that I'm going to select. And here I have selected location 2. Now on here, I can arrow through, I can introduce myself, I can talk about where this location is, maybe even use my mouse to say exactly, we're talking about over here on the tip of the Aleutian Islands. And put in some information here if you have regarding the location, and then talking about the population and talking through how the population changed and what impact the sea otters have. So, and we can go back up. Oh, I forgot to add in this, and then test the water. So in the water testing, we found that bromthiamyl blue, it did this, and the pH is around here, and this means that this solution and this pH is too low, if it was too low. And in summary, what we find is that my location has this, and these are the acidity and the water quality pieces. Now at the bottom, I hit stop share. I threw in a frame effect there also at the end. So I hope that this little demonstration helps to make your presentation a little bit easier. Record the screen and pick which tab you would like to record. Good luck, guys, and have fun.